Hi, welcome. I'm Michael. Today we're at Midtown Garden Center in Miami, and we're going on a nursery tour. So, you ready to dig in? Let's grow. Here we are at Midtown Garden Center, which also has an eatery and a little floral shop and some other little cute things you can get to drink or eat. So it's a nice little adventure down here in South Florida. In the main entrance here, you're greeted by some Sansevieria, the Laurentii, some beautiful Barbacarus bougainvillea. It looks like a James Walker, the red one there, and a purple bougainvillea, as well as some crotons and two sagos. We have the beautiful fire pencil cactus, another James Walker bougainvillea, some false agave, as well as some other real agave plants, just a whole cornucopia of plants when you walk right in. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful. And as a landscape architect, I just love going to the garden centers and nurseries. They're just so much fun to see all the plants. Here's another fire stick pencil cactus, so unique looking. And over here in the back is a ponytail palm. We have some crotons at the base, and on that ledge there are some yellow iris. And over here in the blue container is a Petra croton. And in the background there is a taco place. Really yummy. Like really yummy for your tummy. Right here, these real fluffy plants are Norfolk Island pines. I do not recommend them. They are invasive. These guys right here. Don't get them. Here on the ground is a variegated triangle fig. You've got some spathiphyllum here. There's some aglaonema. And on the top shelf in the back there, you can see a black gold snake plant. Here we have a Dieffenbachia. And now we're entering the greenhouse. Ooh la la. The dark green leafy plants there are the Alocasia regal shield. And these light green ones are the Alocasia California. Over here we have the Taniki ficus, the Ficus elastica burgundy. And way in the back is the Fabian Aurelia. She's so cute. And next to the Regal Shield Alocasia, there's a White Bird of Paradise. There's a Miss Juliet aglaonema, super cool. And in the hanging baskets here, we have a whole host of different types of pothos. Great interior plants, or even for your shaded backyard. Over here, we have a Thai plant, Red Sister, and over here is the Dracaena Limelight. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at that beautiful light green. Super tough plants. Dracaenas are super tough. Great for interior plants. Next to the Philodendron Saloum on the ground there is another Burgundy ficus. And in the back there is another Alocasia regal shield. Look at those leaves. Aren't they beautiful? They're so dark. An elegant plant. Needs to be in the shade though. Obviously, we're in a shade house here. And then we have some other plants in the background. Some Alocasia, White Bird of Paradise, some pothos. And look at this contrast between the Thai plant and the Dracaena. Ah, digging it. And here I'm coming up to a beautiful specimen. This tree is the native ficus of Florida, Ficus aurea, also known as the strangler fig. Beautiful. And over here next to it is the plant that everybody loves, the Swiss cheese. Everybody wants this for a house plant. They want the variegated one lately, though. Very expensive to get that variegated Swiss cheese. There's some more aglaonema down there. This plant here is the mass cane plant. We used it a lot in the 90s. Many installations. It was just the go-to plant. Still starting to come back now. And we have Chamaedorea palm here. But these tend to come and go with people's favor, falling in and out of favor. Here we have the typical areca palm or areca palm that many people use as hedges in their backyard. We have over here another Chamaedorea palm. Down here is a white bird of paradise. Beautiful, great. People can grow them indoors, but they do tend to get some mealybugs, but they grow quite tall outside. And here, beautiful, big old fiddle leaf fig, big leaves. That can grow very well indoors, likes bright light. We have some more palms, some more Thai plants. Beautiful, look at all the colors. Loving it. And a big hello to you all. Oh, this beauty. This one's a Laquala grandis. There's an enormous one at Fairchild, y'all. But that plant there, very expensive. Even in that pot, you're probably north of $100. Over here, we have some more Sansevierias. We have some Hoyas. We have some more Ficus, Elastica, Burgundy. There's a ZZ plant. Oh, they're so cute. And then we have a gold star Dracaena, some cactus, and another host of cane plants, some marginatas. Oh, wow. Lots and lots of stuff. Oh, ponytail. Love them. We have one. We just did a video on ponytail palms. They're super good for using indoors. And now we're going to work our way out into the garden. And I'll tell you, for Miami, their prices for pottery is pretty good. You can get some good deals at Costco, but Midtown's got some good prices on pottery. Over here we have some leftover poinsettias. And look at all these little beautiful bonsais. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at this. This is a little bonsai made out of an ixora. Oh, how cute. And this tree here is known as the pink powder puff. Great tree. Here's a tricolor coleus. We actually bought this one. Woo woo! And over here, two delicious size gold dust croton. Oh, fabulous. Look at those leaves. Oh, looks like paint specks on yellow. Oh, such a beautiful plant. In the background here is a fern tree. It's not a native, but it's such an interesting tree. So pretty. Really nice structure to that tree. We have over here crinum, an Emma, And we have some more coleus. Look at the colors they come in with. We have another gold dust croton here, some poinsettias, some Boston fern, some little round ceramic orbs are beautiful. Little seating area. Ooh la la. Have a little coffee in the afternoon. This place is great. This place is great for hanging out too. Some topiaries, some more garden sculpture. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ah, pentas. Butterflies love pentas, y'all. There's another corcus. Croton. Sorry, everybody. Corcus. Oh, and then there's that pink powder puff. Look at her. She's so adorable. Oh, I love the powder puff. And the flowers, before they come out, they look like berries, actually. You think it's berries, but they get these clusters and then they pop out. And we've got a little honeybee. Hello there, honeybee. Look how determined she is. She's like, give me some of that pollen. Give me some of that nectar. I'm hungry. And at the back of the garden center, they have even more plants. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, those little ones low to the ground there, those are Ficus pumila. Next to it is some yellow lantana. In the background there's some Panama rose, some yellow thryallis, which gets these beautiful yellow flowers, some Patria croton. Looks like we have some ice tin croton as well. And then we have some more coleus and some red and other variegated types of pentas. Ooh, wow. Lots of beautiful stuff. Over here, that light creamy or chartreuse green is the Duranta Gold Mound. We don't recommend that because it gets leggy after a while, but really, really healthy and nice plants. And now Diego and I are going to go grab a smoothie and some lunch. They've got great smoothie and juices at the garden center. I love the mango, banana, and pineapple one. Hey everybody. And now let's go over and get some tacos. Here you can see me anxiously awaiting the tacos. They smelled so good. I had some steak tacos. Oh my God, they were yummy. Now it's time for Diego and I to dig in. Our catchphrase. So we just got our plants at Midtown Garden Center. They're awesome. We got crocodile fern and a multicolored coleus that we're going to try inside. Overall, it's a great place to visit, and you can also, like you see in our video, grab something to eat. Well, until next time, see you later. Bye. If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We post weekly. Thanks.